American state birds in United States of America, 50 state birds. Northern flicker yellowhammer, origin Alabama. Willow ptarmigan, origin Alaska. Cactus wren, origin Arizona. Northern mockingbird, origin Arkansas, Florida, City, Texas, and Tennessee. California quail, origin California. Lark bunting, origin Colorado. American robin, origin Connecticut, Michigan, Wisconsin. Blue hen chicken, origin Delaware. Brown thrasher, origin Georgia. Nene o Hawaiian goose, origin Hawaii. Mountain bluebird, origin Idaho, Nevada. Northern cardinal, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, North Carolina, Ohio, Virginia, West Virginia. Eastern goldfinch or American goldfinch, origin Iowa, New Jersey. Western meadowlark, origin Kansas, Montana, Nebraska, North Dakota, Oregon, Wyoming. Eastern brown pelican, origin Louisiana. Black-capped chickadee, origin Maine, Massachusetts. Baltimore oriole, origin Maryland. Common loon, origin Minnesota. Eastern bluebird, origin Missouri, New York. Purple finch, origin New Hampshire. Crater roadrunner, origin New Mexico. Six-swordtail flycatcher, origin Oklahoma. Ruffed grouse, origin Pennsylvania. Rhode Island wren, origin Rhode Island. Carolina wren, origin South Carolina. Ringneck pheasant or common pheasant, origin South Dakota. California gull, origin Utah. Hermit thrush, origin Vermont. Willow goldfinch or American goldfinch, origin Washington. Thank you for watching this video. Please for watching this video. And share your like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. So thanks for watching.